Good morning students. Today we discussed about tables in MS Word 2013. First we will understand what is a table and then we will understand that how can we enter the table in MS Word and how can we edit or format the table and its components. Table is what? Table is a structure of vertical columns and horizontal rows. And column is what? Column are a series of cells, vertical series of cells known as a column and horizontal series of cells known as a rows. And cell is a smallest part in a table, that is the intersection of rows and columns. In table, if we want, we can insert text, images, numbers and graphics, and also we can format and edit the table in various ways. Just see that a small block is known as a cell and vertical series of cells known as a column and horizontal series of cells known as a row. So, this is a table structure we can insert in MS Word. Now, children, we will understand that how can we create a table. There are various ways, few of them we will learn. First is with the help of table button. If we want to insert a table, first we have to go to the insert tab and there is a table button. We will click on the table button. As we will click on the table button, this grid will open. In this grid, with the help of mouse, we will select rows and columns. After selecting rows and columns, as you can see in this picture, I have selected 4 columns and 3 rows. And then simply we will click with the left mouse button. As we will click with the left mouse button, the table will be inserted in our document. So, this is the one method. Another method is with the help of insert table dialog box. For that, children, we will go to the insert tab. There is a table button. Again we will click on the table button and this time we will select insert table option. As we will click on an insert table option, insert table dialog box will come to our screen. In this box, we will enter number of columns and number of rows we want for our table. And after selecting number of rows and columns, we will click on a OK button. So, this way we will insert table in our document. We can draw table also. If we like, we have a option of drawing table ourselves. For that, we will click on the draw table option and mouse pointer will changes into the pen shape and with that we can draw our own table. The next method is quick table option. If you want to use quick table option, we will click on the quick table option. And what is the children quick table option? Actually, quick table option give us the gallery of pre-formatted tables. Here are already tables are made, contents are there and tables are formatted. Only we have to select the table we would like to enter in our document. Once we selected, as I have selected in this picture, the table will be inserted and then we can edit our table and enter our own data using Excel spreadsheets. As you know, Excel program is a grid of rows and columns. Everything we enter in the form of rows, columns and cell. And if we want that type of table in our document, then we will click on the Excel spreadsheet. When we click on Excel spreadsheet, a small Excel spreadsheet open in front of us. In that we will enter information and then we will click outside. We get this type of table in our document. And whenever we want to edit, simply we will click on it, a spreadsheet will open and we can edit the contents. Another method is convert text to table. If we have a typed simple text or we want that text in the form of rows and columns, then we will use this option, and then when we will click on this option, whatever the data we have typed, and if with the help of tab key or space key, if we select and click on this, see our data will be inserted into the table structures. So, these are the ways to insert a table in our document. Now, once the table is entered in our document, we will enter our data in a table. And how to enter a data in a table? Simply we will click in the cell and we will type our data. Okay. And to move between the various cells, we have some keys. Like if you want to move to the left side, right side, upside, down side in table, we have a arrow keys. Also, we can use the tab key also to move to the right side in the cell, and opposite of tab key is a shift plus tab key. If we use this combination, we can go to the previous cell in a table. So, this way we can move in a table and we can enter our data. So, our topic is over. Thank you.